And what I'll do is I'll first do the first part here, and I'm trying to think ahead a little bit with placing my grid up here. I'm looking at point B, and the Z value goes up to 7. So because of that, I'm gonna kind of leave some space near the top here, and this will be the y-axis. I have the x-axis coming out this way, and Z is going straight up. My negative sides, I'll dot those in. Negative x, negative y, and negative z. So to plot A is the point 2 on the x-axis. Now this same spacing I'll use on the negative y-axis. The y-coordinate's -3, but got to kind of be careful. I want to draw a line parallel to the negative y, and then use that same spacing on that dotted line. So I come out 2 units, and that point is right here where my pencil's pointing is what? 2, 0, 0. I'm going to back up on y 3 units. So that point is 2, -3, 0. And then I got to go up 4 units for z, draw a parallel to z, and I'll go 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's my best guess for point A. And you will have to label. Now it could be that you chose to call this one X and this one Y. That's okay. Sometimes students might call the one coming out this way Z. That's okay. But you're going to have your point plotted correctly for what you labeled it. Now I'm going to do B. B, I've got to come out 5 units on X. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then maybe you'll want to go ahead and write a few numbers in there. It's up to you. Okay, then 1 unit in the positive direction on Y. So I'm going to come parallel to the x-axis. So 5, 1, parallel here to Y. And then I need to go up 7 units. So parallel to Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is point B. Then vector AB, this part of the problem, I'm going to start at A, go to B, and put the arrow. Now I need to find AB in component form. For this, I'll use angle brackets, and it's going to be, it's B minus A. So 5 minus 2 for the first component, and then 1 minus -3 for the second component, and 7 minus 4 for the third component. So vector AB in component form, 3, 1 minus -3 is 4, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So it's 3, 4, 3. To plot the position vector, I'm going to plot the point 3, 4, 3. And there I'm using parentheses because now I'm talking about a point. I'll plot the point and let's see what I end up with. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 on X. Okay, 4 on Y. So 1, 2, 3 on X. Here I'm going to go parallel to Y. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. And then I need to go up 3 units on Z. Puts me here. So my vector's going to start at the origin, and the arrow would be at that point. And okay, I made this one up on the spur of the moment. And so what I want you to see, now I kind of drew this off a little bit because I didn't want it to look like it's coinciding with the axis, because it's not. But what I want you to see is these two vectors should be the same length, and they should point in the same direction.